Okay, so we are at the stove area and okay, we're cooking. Okay, I have officially made my pancakes. Hello everyone. Welcome. My name is Simone Jackson, creator of the Fab Grad, and today I'm really excited because I'm starting a new series on my Instagram called Simone at Home. So I'm really excited because I want to bring y'all more into my lifestyle, show some more lifestyle content. So I'm not gonna hold you. This is not easy. I have been cooking bacon and prepping stuff because today, y'all, we are making bacon and brown sugar pancakes with bacon maple syrup. So I have done everything I believe that I need to easily show you this recipe. I have cooked my bacon, look at that. And I've been doing this all day. I haven't even eaten. Oh, okay. That gave me the boost I needed. Okay, so we are at the stove area, and the first thing that the recipe actually says to do is to make the syrup first. So I already have my maple syrup and my brown sugar. Girl, I put it in a little wine glass because I was out of the small clear bowls. But let's go ahead, turn on the heat, and get started.
All right, y'all. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and put your half a cup of real maple syrup in the pan and just let it warm up a little bit. And then you're going to take your brown sugar, which I put in a wine glass because I had nothing else. Your 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in the pan as well. And then you're going to take your bacon and put it inside the pot. So it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons of bacon. And I highly suggest that you cook it first ahead of time and chop it up so you're not going back and forth. You stir it around, make sure it starts to get to a low simmer. And then once you get to your low simmer, you'll want to go ahead and turn the heat off, which happens in like 10 to 15 seconds. It's really quick. And then once the heat is off, you just want to put it to the side and you'll be good to go so that you can start your pancakes.
Now, I feel like I need to bring y'all in a little bit closer for the well, we'll do the pancake stuff here, and then I'll bring y'all in a little bit closer for the grill. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on. The egg, the vanilla. Yo, something I learned that I didn't know. Vanilla is so expensive. I went to the store yesterday. I did not have vanilla. You guys know I'm new to cooking. This thing was $20 for vanilla extract. I was like, this is a joke, right? No, this is a joke. But it was not. It was all of the brands was like minimally $17 and up. Okay. With the egg, the vanilla, and the melted butter. Honey, I had an issue with my melted butter about maybe 10 minutes ago. Y'all saw it on my stories if you were watching ahead of time. But it just blew. I did this already and then it got cold. So then I put it back in the microwave and it popped in the microwave. I had to clean it all up. But we're good.
All right, y'all. So it's time to make the pancakes. Okay, so what I've already done in a bowl is put my 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda into a bowl, whisked it. And now what I'm doing is just making a small dent in the dry bowl. And I have added in a separate bowl a cup of buttermilk, my large egg, my vanilla extract, and my melted butter. So right now I'm putting all of that into the bowl, and basically it just kind of all comes together in that small dent that you put. And now it's time to whisk. So as you're whisking, you want to do it gently. You'll want to kind of like whisk it hard, but she asked that you do not, that you whisk it gently and not for too long. Large clumps in your bowl are fine, as you can see here. This is a thick little batter, girl. So do not be afraid if you see kind of a thick batter, but you're just gonna keep whisking very gently until you get what you see as your perfect dough.
Time to do the real thing, girl. Let me move this butter around. She said evenly. She said brush, but I don't have one of those brushes. So this is what we getting. Okay. Here we go.
All right, y'all. So the final step. You basically put your batter, I did about 1/4 a cup of the batter, onto your buttered skillet or pan, and you start just adding your bacon bits right on top. I have learned that the more finely chopped your bacon is, the better. You can go and just get the already like cut bacon that they put on salads, but I don't know, fresh cooked bacon sounds better to me. So you just want to chop your bacon as best you can, and then what you want to do is grab your brown sugar, and you're just going to take your brown sugar and sprinkle it on top until you have your perfect pancake.
What a day it has been. I have officially made my pancakes. I also showed like a video. Look at that. Okay. Girl, they're probably cold, but let's try. Now it's candy sweet because brown sugar on the maple syrup, brown sugar on the pancake. But it's good, but it's sweet. I also dumped the whole thing of syrup on top of my pancakes because I was trying to do some slow-mo videos. That's gonna go in here somewhere, probably right here. It's good. Now, would I wake up every day and make this for somebody? No. This is a special occasion. This is Valentine's Day, and you practiced, sis. You practiced how to make this. This ain't something you just whip up in the kitchen real quick. But it was good. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you so much for sticking with me through the Simone at Home. I'll see you on the next one, and bye.